Picture this. You're on a long road trip. You pull out your phone to reply to a quick message or check Google Maps, and within 2 minutes, boom, dizziness, cold sweat, nausea. You feel like you're about to throw up. If this has ever happened to you, you're definitely not alone. But here's the cool part. Apple recently built a feature into your iPhone, iPad, and Mac that uses basic neuroscience to stop this exact problem. It's called vehicle motion cues, and it's an absolute game changer.
To understand how it works, we first need to look at why you get car sick in the first place. It all comes down to a simple sensory mismatch inside your brain. Your inner ear, which controls your balance, feels the car accelerating, braking, and turning. It tells your brain, hey, we're moving fast. But at the same time, your eyes are locked onto a stationary screen. Your eyes tell your brain, nope, we're sitting completely still. When your brain receives two completely opposite signals at once, it freaks out. It thinks you've been poisoned, and its natural defense mechanism is, well, nausea.
Enter Apple's solution, vehicle motion cues. Using the built-in accelerometers and gyroscopes in your device, your iPhone tracks real-time movement forces. It then renders tiny, subtle animated dots on the edges of your display. Watch closely. When the car speeds up, the dots drift down. When the car brakes, they shift forward. And when you make a turn, they slide in the opposite direction. Because these dots sit in your peripheral vision, your eyes passively register the movement of the car while you stay focused on your reading. It bridges the gap between what your ears feel and what your eyes see, stopping motion sickness before it even starts. Setting this up takes literally 10 seconds. Here's how you do it. 1. Open Settings on your iPhone or iPad. 2. Tap Accessibility, then go to Motion. 3. Select Show Vehicle Motion Cues and set it to Automatically in Vehicle.
Pro tip, you can also add it directly to your control center, so you can toggle it on or off with a single swipe whenever you jump into a rideshare or bus. It's one of those subtle, brilliant features that proves accessibility tech isn't just for specific needs. It makes everyday life better for everyone. Have you tried vehicle motion cues yet? Does it work for you, or do you still get carsick? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Travel safe.